so cold, I'm so cold. You got me out here.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight.
What is good, loves? I am back with a new wig review. Shout out to Junoda. I hope I'm saying that right because I have no idea how to say this company's name, but we're just gonna go with Junoda. They sent me their 0.5 by 6 closure wig, and it's like in a nice deep wave. I love the curl pattern. So the wig is pre-plucked, it's pre-cut, and it's pre-bleached, but I just went ahead and touched up the roots anyway. I'm going to bleach my knots because that's just how I do my wigs. I like that nice natural scalp look. So I'm just taking a little bit of my foundation and I'm going to put that in the lace, blend that into the lace, that where the color of the lace can match my complexion. And we're gonna get this baby on. So the wig was pretty snug for sure. And one thing that I do love about this unit, it already comes cut in the lace, so you don't have to worry about cutting the lace on your own. You can just prop her on and go. And to be honest, y'all, this is basically straight out the box. I didn't even wash out the curl patterns in this unit because I wanted to keep the curls as it was. I just wanted to bleach the knots. So I'm just hot combing the top because I really want the top part to be flat. I don't want it to be bulky or anything. It's only looking like that because I did wash and bleach my knots, so I let it air dry. So yeah, you're gonna be seeing me style up this wig. So I'll be right back when I'm done with the final results. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the music.
How you gonna think it's all about to explain? How you gonna throw it all away and say I love it, I'm just not the same. How you
So this is the final look. I really did not have to do too much and she is absolutely stunning. Definitely give this wig a 10 out of 10 and it's very convenient, very fast, very simple. This wig is absolutely beautiful. I totally love the curl pattern. It came straight out the package just like this. Only thing is I did bleach my knots, of course, but you really don't have to go through that process because the knots didn't look that bad from the beginning. However, I just like that natural scalp look. I do that with all my wigs. So shipping and handling was really fast. I got my wig, I'll say within like 4 days out the first week that I did put in my order. So she came pretty fast. The texture of the hair is really soft. I am just so in love. And for this wig to be 180% density, she is really full. I feel like this hair is like 200% density. I'm not too sure, but for her to have very little density, well, it's not really too little, but I feel like it should have more density the way how thick this wig is. You get a lot of hair with this unit and I totally love that. Even though this wig feels very thick and it has a lot of volume, she is lightweight, so she doesn't feel too much on the back of my neck or anything. So the cap construction I definitely love as well because it is breathable and this whole entire wig is just quick. This is an easy wear and go type of wig. The lace was giving so much scalp. I really didn't even have to put concealer into my part. I just put foundation into the lace, just blended in to the lace that where the lace matches my skin complexion. And that's about it. I didn't have to glue her. I didn't have to spray her down. All I did was just take a little gel and just slick my baby hairs real good. But yes, ladies, if you're looking for something fast and convenient, something quick, simple, something to just put on and go, I definitely recommend this wig because this wig is a 10 out of 10. The wig is super snug and you can always put your combs in, but the wig is so snug you really don't even have to put the combs in. But anyways, I love this wig a lot. You guys let me know what y'all think in the comment section. I got a lot of compliments when I was out. Definitely will be investing into another wig because I like this wig a lot. This is very pretty, super full. I mean, the curls is just like, grah, you know what I mean? Like, this is so pretty. Oh, and also the wig is 24 inches. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but I'm just going to state that this wig is 24 inches. So you just get enough hair. But yeah, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel because, baby, it is completely free. And until next time, I will see you dolls later. Bye. Love and light.
In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, difficult, baby, more.